Question 5. Sinikezwe but in the diagram below, P lo O minus 5 is 0 is the point which is found in this diagram. And then the inclination of the line PT, which is exactly 63.43 degrees. Mese basitshela nokuthi S is the midpoint and S abe y intercept. Yale walo line lo PT. Then sebethi la R is a point on the x-axis such that OPO, meaning distance PO in terms of your ratio OR, U2:3. Now, the first question it says, let's determine the gradient of PT correct to the nearest integer value. Now, ukuthola gradient ya PT, uma umbheka uPT wakho uline ozonqumula kuma x-axis, which means sanikezwa le angle ukuthi uba singayisebenzisa i-angle of inclination. So singasho ukuthi 5.1.1 i-gradient waline ka PT izolingana no tan 63.43 degrees. So i-gradient ya PT then izobe sengisebenzisa i-calculator ngiyithole. I would say tan 63.43. Then I'm receiving my answer as 1,9. They try to round off your answer to the nearest value of an integer. Should say actually answer now 2. Round off your answer to the whole number. So we will 2 answer. So your answer is now 2. So I gradient ya PT U2. Sebetsi la ku 5 point use a different color 5.1.2. Determine the equation of PT in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. For PT is a gradient and it's null point. So using this formula y minus y1 is equal to a gradient in now x minus x1. Ngithatha le formula ngoba nginali pointed load and nginayo gradient. So I can do a substitution to find the equation straight. So y1 would be this 0 and then the gradient ile ngitholile. And then x1 is minus 5. So neke. So neke will give you positive. Y minus 0, y. Then 2 times x will give me 2x. So I'm going to positive la. 2 times positive 5, I will have positive 10. So it's only the equation PT. And then 5.1.3, that's actually distance PS. Now, that's a see answer in a set form. Kunento kumele sisheshe siyibonela ukuthi US lo la uyi-y intercept. Uma y intercept, which means ama coordinates as ayafana no 0 because x u0 la phezulu u0x but y siyazi ukuthi positive 10. So le y intercept ka PT inqamula la kuma y axis isinikeza i-y coordinates lika s. So ukusuka la ku point of origin ngize la it's 10 units, ukusuka la ngize la it's 5 units. So uma bethi asithola PS, you can even use the Pythagoras theorem or you can use the distance formula. So a choice yakho. So ake ngiqale ngisebenzise Pythagoras theorem lengisho. So I would say 5.1.3 I can say PS squared because la ukhumbule the reason ngithi Pythagoras theorem izoba 90 degrees is equals to PO squared plus OS squared. So PS squared uzolingana no PO. PO kusuka la uzela it's 5 units, so no 5 all squared. OS 10 units, so it's 10 squared. So PS usozobe square root usala. So we just put the square roots la. Remember, PS is a hypotenuse, so you won't put a plus or minus. So the square root is 5 squared plus 10 squared. So your answer yako 5 root 5. 5 root 5 units. Or you can use a distance formula. So you will say PS uzonikezwa square root ska x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. Sama coordinates now lawa, and then we can name them. Gets mina x2 y2 kanjalo kanjalo. So x2 wako I can say 0 minus x1 so kuzoba plus 5 whole squared plus y2 should kuzoba 10 minus y1 kuzoba 0. And remember uma ngithela x2 la kushowcase kumele kube y2. Uma ngithi x1 la nala kumele kube y1. Ngeke ngithi x2 la bese ngithi y1. Then your answer is will be wrong. Now, 0 plus 5, 5 squared to bani, 25. And then like 10 minus 0 will give you 10. And then 10 squared to bani, 100. So you can even use the calculator if I get plus 10 minus 0. But your answer will be 5 root 5. So we've got 5 root 5 units. So you can use the Pythagoras theorem or you can use the distance formula to find the distance ka PS. Now, sebethi asicalculate ama-coordinates ka T. Sebethi ke manje asicalculate ama-coordinates a T lawa lapha phezulu. So lama coordinates a T, what we can say, since S a midpoint yala, we can use the midpoint formula. So sizothi thina i-midpoint ka PT it's x1 plus x2 over 2 y1 plus y2 over 2. Now sina i-midpoint u0 no 10 ama-coordinates akhona. Shuthi lo x plus 1 x1 plus x2 ulingana no 0 and y1, sorry, let me use calculator, and then y1 plus y2 wona ulingana no 10. Akikubhale phansi ke konke lokho esikushoyo. Now sithi thina x1 plus x2 over 2 ulingana no 0 because nginayi x coordinates le midpoint. Kanjalo futhi no y1 plus y2 over 2 ulingana no 10. Then let me solve. X1 I can say x because my coordinates at T x no y singamazi kodwa lawa siyazi ukuthi minus 5 no 0. So x1 I can say x plus, which means minus 5 all over 2 equals to 0. La y plus 0 over 2 equals to 10. So now positive times negative, x minus 5. When cross multiply by get rid of the denominator, I will get to 0, 2 times 0, 0. And then 2 negative 5, on our right hand side is on a positive 5. Then I can even do cross multiplication. 2 times 10 umnikeza 20, and then ngalangisele no y plus 0, which is y. Then y wamubani 20. So our coordinates at T abafunayo will be x 05, y ubani 10. Then must kubeka siya ku 5.2, but determine the coordinates of R. Now go R ngaphezulu. R is the x intercept whereby x angimazi kodwa y ngiyamazi ukuthi ubani u0 because kuma x axis y uhlale e0. Now ngifuna ukuthola u-x ukuthi uba khona into abangitshela yona la ngaphezulu ukuthi u-PO is to OR i-ratio yakhona ithi 2:0. Now angibhale phansi le nto abayisho la. PO/OR, okay? Now I'm having PO no OR. I can even write kule spacing naso la. PO to OR, the ratio yakhona ithi 2:3. Double check. Yes, isho njalo impela. Now, i-distance ka PO uba U5. Sibhale phansi, i-distance ka PO U5. But i-distance ka OR angiyazi, ngingasho ukuthi UX. Then we can do cross multiplication la. 2 times x, the answer yakho, 2x, 5 times 3 will give you 15. And then 5 divided by 2, because it's x, then you will find your answer as 15 over 2. It will be your answer, which is 15 over 2, ofanayo no 7,5. Now, uma sebefuna ke uPO ephelela will say uPO bafuna distance ka ama coordinates r. Sengiyalazi x coordinates mina ukuthi lu 7,5, which is 15 over 2, and y ngiyazuba. So ama coordinates not bafuna distance. I'm sorry ngalokho. Then ama coordinates are r, x wakho u7,5, which is 15 over 2, still y wakho uhlale ubani x0. So then bese uyaqhubeka seku question elandelayo yokugcina. Question elandelayo ithi let's calculate the area of triangle PTR. Nangu P, nangu T, nangu R. Yilokho nje kuphela abakufunayo. Now remember, unayo wena i-distance ka PS. Distance ka PS ibu 5 roots 5. I can find the distance ya PT times because le kusuka la nokusuka la kuyalingana. So mangithola le distance ya PT, ngithola distance ya PR. Na i-angle enginayo, then I will use an area formula. It's in area formula yakhona. It's in the area of a triangle PTR izolingana no half base times height times sine angle 63.43 degrees. Now, if base yakho ilama side amabili unawo ne height kanjalo. Now, i-base ngingasho ukuthi le, i-height ngisho ukuthi le, doesn't matter. Now, mele ngithathe i-angle eyakhwe ilawo ma-side enginawo womabili. Njengoba lama side or labo line engikhuluma nali i-angle yakha kile shuthi yona angle engikhuluma ngayo, ingakho ngithi sin 63.43. So what I've said, ngithe mina uPT la ngezansi ngiyazi ukuthi distance uPR, so I'm having uPR times sin 63.43 degrees. Now uPT yitheni sithe utholakala ngokuthi uPS la ngaphezulu u-half ka-PT. Shuthi mangikwenza kuphela kumele ngitimes ngo2. Shuthi lo 5 roots 5 kumele ngimtimes ngoba eyedwa ngo2. Then uPR wonke ephelele sithe ukusuka la uOR x coordinates lika R sithole lu15 over 2 and la lu5. Then u5 plus 15 over 2, so which would be 7,5 plus 5, uzosinikeza, we can even use a calculator, 7,5 plus 5, uzosinika 25 over 2. 25 over 2 times sine 63.43 degrees. Then uzoyithola i-area yakho yonke nje kusinjalo. Fake konke lokhu kwi-formula, we calculate. So 2, sorry, it's not 2 into 5 roots 5, 25 over 2 times sine 63.43 degrees. So the answer is 124.99 square units. So my final answer is 124.99 square units. So yona area yako yale triangle ka PCR.